When onboarding an individual or organization, it is often important to isolate personally identifiable information, or PII, from your supplier onboarding solution. When DataSure identifies the need to gather PII from a potential supplier, it will automatically send that supplier a PII information request email. Upon opening that request, the supplier can request a token to log in. This will send a secure token to their email, very similar to any time you've used two-factor authentication to log in. Notably, this tokenized login means that the vendor does not need to create an account, but can still maintain a secure session. The PII information form is fully customizable, but we'll look at the two most common use cases today. The first is tax identification information. Vendors have the option to upload a W-8 or W-9 form, or they can manually enter that information. In this case, I'll upload my W-9 form. Relish uses proprietary algorithms to read this form and extract the important information. This process can take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now while that's working, I'll enter my bank account details. I've got my account number, routing number, account holder, and the bank name. Now I see here that my W-9 has finished processing, so I can validate this information. It's important to note that all of this is being done on the client side, meaning none of this information is stored by Relish at this point. This validation occurs in real time directly with the IRS. Now that my TIN is validated, I can also validate my bank account information. Once the bank account details have been validated, I can click the Encrypt and Send Data button. Now once I click this, the data will be encrypted and stored on the Relish servers. This data is encrypted at rest, and Relish does not hold decryption keys. Now that means that if you ever lose your keys, we cannot help you recover the data. It is lost. Once your supplier onboarding process is complete, your ERP can request the encrypted data from Relish, decrypt it, and store it in your system. Now at that point, Relish completely destroys that data from our servers. And that is how the PII add-on from Relish can enable your organization to securely gather and validate all personally identifiable information.
Learn more at relishiq.com.